Do you know that a lot of print-on-demand t-shirt sellers make most of their sales during the last 4 months of the year? And Halloween is a major driver of this trend. That's why I'm making this video to show you the different Halloween designs that you can easily create with Leonardo AI. Stick around until the end to see just how incredible this AI tool has become at creating designs for graphic tees. So let's dive in. The first thing I'm gonna do is adjust the settings. I've made a separate video on this for beginners. You can check it out in the description below. Now that I'm done with the settings, it's time to get prompting. The first design I'll create is a very popular Halloween t-shirt design with a cool ghost and funny text. So, I'll just enter the prompt in the text box. I can't say the prompt because it's too long, but you can go to the description to copy it. Once I'm done, I'll just click the generate button and wait a minute. Here are the very cute results. This design is a perfect fit for women who love Halloween. I'll just choose this one right here and download it. The next design is a play between zombies and mom, so like Mom Bee. What I love about the zombie mom design is that it's sarcastic, cute, and scary at the same time. I'll just go ahead and save it. Next is another adorable t-shirt design. It's a crossover of the vintage, coquette, and animal lovers niches. Most of the results have lines because of the vintage elements in the prompt. But if you don't want it, you can just tweak the prompt. If you're enjoying this video so far, you should check out my Leonardo Halloween t-shirt prompt ebook with sub-niches. It has over 30 prompts plus sub-niches you can target. You can check it out in the description below. Now back to the video. So I'm gonna make another coquette bow-inspired design. It's a giant bow in the middle with bats and text. Here's the generated results. I think the black color works, but you can also decide to change the color to pink or even pastel orange. The last prompt I'm gonna make today is a classic cute Halloween t-shirt design with 3 ghosts in a heart shape. I'll add some text, bats, and stars too. From the results, you can tell it's a perfect fit for kids. You can use any shape you want for this design, but I think the heart really looks great. And there you have it. With these simple prompts, you're all set to start creating amazing images with Leonardo AI. Check out the description for more prompts and tips to help you go from idea to finished product. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.